Hey there, today I'm going to give you a complete review of Wave Payroll. So let's get started. Wave Payroll is an easy-to-use payroll solution for small businesses and startups. It helps calculate wages, handle taxes, and manage payments quickly. The platform integrates seamlessly with Wave accounting, making payroll smooth and accurate. It's designed to save time and reduce stress. The best part is the simple and fast payroll processing. You can enter employee hours, review pay details, and submit payroll in just a few clicks. This is great because it automates calculations and reduces errors. Another advantage is automated tax calculations and filings. Wave handles federal, state, and local taxes automatically, and in select areas even files taxes for you. The best part is, it keeps your business compliant and avoids penalties. Direct deposit and manual check payments are also supported. This is great because employees get paid securely and on time, while you can schedule runs in advance. The employee self-service portal is another win. Employees can access pay stubs, tax forms, and payroll history online. This reduces HR questions and saves time. Wave Payroll integrates seamlessly with Wave accounting software. The best part is, payroll transactions update automatically, keeping your bookkeeping accurate without manual entry. Contractor and 1099 payments are supported too. This is great because you can manage both employees and contractors in one system. Finally, the pricing is affordable and transparent. This is great because small businesses get cost-effective payroll management without hidden fees. One limitation is that some advanced payroll features may be limited compared to enterprise-level solutions. Another drawback is that tax filing automation is only available in select states and Canada. Some users may need a short learning curve to fully explore all features, especially if they are new to payroll software. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.